Number 1.
1999 Dodge Dakota, price $6,750. This truck shows just 58,000 miles and comes with a desirable 5-speed manual transmission. Painted in a deep green with a clean gray interior, it runs on gasoline and is powered by the dependable 3.9L motor, known for its strength and reliability. The truck runs and drives fantastic, with the manual transmission shifting smoothly through all gears and delivering an engaging driving experience. It has been well cared for, featuring brand new tires, strong brakes that perform exactly as they should, and an air conditioning system that blows nice and cold. With its impressively low mileage, excellent overall condition, and a clean clear Pennsylvania title, this Dakota stands out as a solid and dependable choice for anyone looking for a classic midsize pickup.
Number 2.
1985 Chevrolet 1500, price $10,000. With only 70,000 miles on the odometer, it comes equipped with a freshly rebuilt 350 engine, paired to an automatic transmission and a 2,500 stall converter that delivers smooth yet powerful acceleration. A BM ratchet shifter adds a sporty, muscle car-inspired touch to the driving experience, while dual exhaust ensures a strong performance and a deep, commanding tone. The truck presents itself in striking fashion, finished in a fresh coat of blue paint that highlights its clean lines and timeless design. Inside, the black interior complements the exterior and offers a comfortable cabin for both driver and passenger. Being a 2WD model, it's built for confident road manners, and it sits on good tires that provide reliable traction for everyday driving or weekend cruising.
Number 3.
1990 Chevrolet 1500, price $6,000. This truck shows around 130,000 miles and comes with a 5-speed manual transmission. The engine was rebuilt a few years ago, giving it plenty of life, and although the truck has been sitting in a barn for the past several years, it still fires up and runs strong. It is being sold on behalf of a friend's wife after her husband, the previous owner, sadly passed away. The body is very solid overall, with only some clear coat peeling visible on the cowl hood. With its strong running motor, dependable transmission, and classic Chevy build, this pickup is not only a solid driver but also a great candidate for someone looking to own and enjoy a durable classic truck. Hit that like button if classic trucks make your heart race.
Want to help us keep these legends on the road? Drop a super thanks, every bit counts.
And don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell for more badass builds and barn finds.
Number 4.
1998 Chevrolet 1500, price $5,000, shows 127,000 original miles and is equipped with a gasoline-powered engine paired to an automatic transmission. The truck is finished in a silver exterior with a matching gray interior, giving it a timeless and clean look. It has been professionally lowered with a C-notch, a modification that was done carefully to ensure both style and drivability. Mechanically, the truck runs and drives smoothly, with no oil leaks anywhere, reflecting how well it has been maintained over the years. It has also been fitted with new brake lines, further adding to its roadworthiness. While there is some minor rust on the body and surface rust visible on the frame, the overall condition is solid and respectable for a vehicle of this age.
Number 5.
1987 Ford F150, price $9,500. Everything on the truck is fully functional, including the door locks, power windows, wiper motors, wiper fluid sprayers, dual fuel tanks, headlights, turn signals, and both heat and air conditioning. The AC system has been converted to R134 and blows ice cold, while the radio works perfectly and has been fitted with new speakers. Mechanically, the only issue lies with the gauge cluster, as the oil pressure and water temperature gauges do not register. The sending units themselves are in working order, so the problem is within the cluster, an issue fairly common for these trucks.
To address this, the sale includes an aftermarket cluster for water temperature and oil pressure.
Should the next owner wish to install it, cosmetically, the paint presents well and still shines nicely when buffed, although up close it shows its fair share of nicks and scratches. Importantly, the truck is rust-free, and additional pictures are available of the bed without the liner to confirm its clean condition.
Number 6.
1992 Chevrolet 1500, price $6,000, features an automatic transmission, a black exterior with a beige interior, and runs on gasoline with a clean title. It has been a strong and reliable truck with extensive recent work, including a rebuilt transmission by Mr. Transmission, new battery, fuel pump, starter, water pump, radiator, and a freshly rebuilt throttle body. The AC blows cold on R134, the exhaust has been redone, and the rear window and seals have been refreshed. It rides on 454SS staggered wheels with good tread and also comes with new headlights, taillights, LED dome lights, and CarPlay. The frame and bed mounts are solid, needing only minor cleanup and undercoating. Overall, this Chevy 1500 is a well-sorted, great driving truck, being sold only because the owner needs something AWD for winter.
Number 7.
1979 Ford F150, price $8,000, stands as a true survivor, a North Carolina truck that has clearly been cared for over the years. Showing only 113,000 miles, it reflects both longevity and reliability. Under the hood, it carries the powerful 400 big block engine paired with a smooth-shifting C6 automatic transmission, a combination that makes it as strong as it is dependable. The exterior is finished in a bold red, complemented by a matching red interior that gives the truck a striking, cohesive look. Running on gasoline, this F-150 remains super solid overall, though not without minor imperfections that highlight its originality and honest character. For enthusiasts who appreciate vintage pickups that retain their authenticity, this 1979 Ranger is an excellent example of classic Ford durability and design.
Number 8.
1967 Ford F-150, price $7,500, finished in lunar green with a matching green interior. It runs on gasoline and represents the classic styling of its era. Under the hood, the truck carries a 352 cubic inch V8 engine producing 208 horsepower, paired with a T18 Granny Gear 4-speed transmission and a 3.25 rear gear ratio in a non-limited slip setup. It features 9 rear leaf springs designed for camper loads, along with factory-installed camper special wiring tied neatly into the frame rail. With dual fuel tanks, it provides a total capacity of 40 gallons, making it practical for long hauls. Additional features include an AM radio, the custom cab package, Ford West Coast tow mirrors, and an 8-foot bed for maximum utility.
Number 9.
1992 Chevrolet 1500, price $4,500. The truck shows about 150,000 miles on the body and is finished in sleek black with a tan interior. It runs on gasoline and is powered by a strong 350 TBI motor, a Jasper rebuild with roughly 95,000 miles on it. Backed by an automatic transmission that was replaced by the previous owner, it delivers dependable performance on the road and off. Recently, the rear end was rebuilt, and the truck now sits on 4 brand new off-road tires mounted on a clean set of rims, ready to tackle just about anything. Both the AC and heat work exceptionally well, keeping the cab comfortable in all seasons, though the radio currently isn't functional. Despite its age, this Chevy has proven itself reliable, having completed a smooth 350-mile trip from Indianapolis without issue.
Number 10.
1990 Chevrolet 1500, price $2,600. The truck's frame has been treated with fluid film, ensuring added protection. Several components have been replaced within the last year, with only about 6,000 to 7,000 miles on them, including the brakes, shocks, tires, wheels, pitman arm, digital dash with code reader, and window tint. Additional body panels for the cab corners and rockers are also included. Under the hood, it is powered by a 4.8L engine from a 2005 model with 145,000 miles, paired with a 4L60E transmission from 2002.
The transmission has fresh fluid and comes with an overdrive off switch for towing.
The truck is equipped with a 3.08 open rear end and has a new battery installed.